this that it's better explained by this architecture. Yeah. So this architecture actually talks at a functional level what we have here, right? You have these manufacturing equipments, and then you have the IoT gateways, which actually tracks data from these manufacturers. And then once that's done, there's an integration hub, which is built on OpenShift container platform. I don't know how familiar you are with Docker and Kubernetes. If you want to containerize your workloads, OpenShift does that. And not only that, it has these different runtimes running on it, like Node.js, Java, PHP, Ruby, all of those. It also has messaging technologies in Red Hat AMQ and Red Hat Decision Manager, which is a business rules management system. And once that layer takes care of the device management, device registry, and data processing, it sends it over to a machine learning model, which is running in the Cloudera Enterprise Data Hub workbench. That looks at the data, generates alerts and notifications, and sends the machine learning model back to the edge. So here's another diagram which actually shows the feedback. Data coming in from things, processes by using Red Hat middleware running on the gateway, and then on the machine integration hub, you have the OpenShift container platform running, and then the machine learning layer here at the back end. There's a feedback loop, as you can see here. It goes back right to the edge, where the machine learning model is updated and can be applied on the data and run. So that's the cycle.
And how does the data go back to the edge?
The data actually, what happens is that the notifications are sent back to here. If there's alert needs to happen, the alerts are sent back to this particular layer on the dashboard. And then someone can go in and make a change to the gateway or to the machines itself. And that is demonstrated by the demo here. So let's look at a use case, right? I go to the operations layer. Let me select a particular machine line in Atlanta. And let me select this machine here. As you can see, there's all these data that's coming in from the machine via the gateway onto the IoT integration hub. And I'm going to go in and select a use case where I'm going to trigger a failure. Now what you would see on the left hand side of the screen here is there's going to be fluctuations or failures in the data coming in from the machine. That in turn will be looked on by the machine learning algorithm, and an alert will be generated for the technician, where they can go in and make a change to the particular. They'll actually go in and complete the task. Now that my alert came up, you got to go. They go in, they look at what machine is affected. It says that that's bad power supply on machine line 1 in Atlanta. Send a technician there, take care of it before there's a failure in such and such time.
Where is this dashboard running?
So this dashboard is running on OpenShift in a hosted environment, or like a private cloud, so to speak. It can be running on a customer site.
Is this the hub in a private diagram? You have
it's running on the. It is running on the integration hub. Yeah, you're right. Exactly. It is running on an integration hub. That integration hub can run on a data center. It can run on a private cloud of your choice. Or wherever it needs to be. So that's the failure scenario that I talked about, and you can then go back to the dashboard. You can look at how the maintenance events were generated and avoided.
Can you go back to the architecture diagram?
Oh, the architecture diagram? Yeah, sure, I can pull it up. So this is the functional architecture diagram I talked about. Where the gateways, where the integration hub is there, and where's the machine learning hub.
So, how is data coming from hub to the centralized hub?
So the telemetry data can be transported in many ways. So Cloudera has their own data ingestion capabilities. So the data can be sent via MQTT, it can be sent via any other protocols like AMQP, Storm, or whatever is the ingestion protocol required by Cloudera. You can utilize Kafka here, or you can utilize straight to inserts into a database called Apache Kudu, which stores the database, and then machine learning can be applied on it.
And then I think I have a question earlier. How does data get sent over?
So the data is not exactly. I mean, you basically just send back a notification.
So you said the machine learning model, right?
Yeah, machine learning model.
More
yeah.
than just a notification.
Yeah, so the machine learning model is actually sent via, it basically downloads via S3 or a data store onto the edge.
Okay, got it. In the prior demo, do you use a Hadoop software?
Hadoop right now for this demo. It's a very simple Hadoop cluster setup.
Okay.
In the backend.
Okay.
That's set up by Cloudera.
That's the Cloudera.
That's a Cloudera.
Okay, I see. Got it.
But for the demo, we are leveraging mainly Apache Kudu, where the data it's a data store optimized for data sets coming for IoT use cases.
Apache
Kudu, KUDU. That's the data store that is used